Today, MTDCNC have travelled to Slough to visit the new XYZ showroom, yet another facility that XYZ have strategically opened up within the UK. Now, I've even heard rumours that they're giving away a free machine here today at the grand opening. So let's go inside and find out a little more. Nigel, you've opened up this new fantastic facility here in Slough, yet another. Now, can you tell me why you've set up yet another XYZ facility?
Oh, well, we've set up another facility because I think people are willing to travel 2.5 hours maximum, have a couple of hours on site to have a demonstration and then go home, and they haven't had too long a day. So having a facility within 2.5 hours of somebody is important. So we have one in Blackburn, Sheffield, Nuneaton, Devon, and now we've got Slough.
Are you also going to be doing demonstrations on this site for your customers?
That's the most important thing. We can do demonstrations, but we'll also do training. We'll have open days like today so people can see the range.
Guys, why have you visited this new facility that XYZ have opened in Slough, and what do you like about it? I'll start with you.
It's a brand new facility with XYZ users, and it's local to us, so it should be really helpful to about see the new products and get a bit of training if we need it.
And have you come to look at any new machines today?
Just to see what's the most up to date. Yeah, we see what's here.
And with this new facility now being on your doorstep, will this help you out in the future?
Immensely, because it saves a trip down to Exeter, and it's better than going to North London as well.
This is just so handy to have it close to home, so we can be in and out and back to work and carry on.
And what machines have you come to look at here today?
We came to look at the lathes. Actually, we just purchased one this morning, just a moment ago.
Wow, you've just purchased a machine. What machine have you just purchased?
An SLX 355. So yeah, really pleased with it.
Are you an XYZ user?
No, not at the moment, but may do in the future.
What machines are you looking at?
We're looking at the SMX 5000 and the 555 lathe.
It's 9 o'clock in the morning and already it's getting busy. Now, I've heard a rumour that you're giving away a machine today. Can you tell me a little bit more about this?
Yeah, what we're going to do is, a lot of people don't know about Prototrack, but they don't really have any experience of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a draw at the end of the day, and anyone here can qualify then for having a ProTurn lathe or a Prototrack mill on a 6-month loan. So we'll deliver it free, we'll install it free, we'll train for free, and in 6 months we'll either collect the machine or they'll be able to buy it.
Martin, what can your customers expect to gain from opening this new facility here in Slough?
Well, we wanted to bring another central location for our demonstration area, also for training as well. So you can come along here to see all the machines that we've got. We don't carry every single machine, but we carry most models in here. So you can come and have a look, make sure it's the right size, specification. You can do on-site demos here as well. And then once you buy a machine from us, you can come here and have your training.
Now, that's absolutely fantastic, really. I've spoke to some people already today that it's going to help considerably being able to demo their parts here. Now, has today overall been a success?
Yeah, we've done so many demonstrations today. We've actually taken our 8th order now, and it's only mid-morning. So we've got the afternoon to go, so hopefully we'll get another 8 this afternoon.
Guys, I've just heard you've just ordered a machine.
Yeah, we've just ordered one of these CT65 LTYs for University College London. We're from the mechanical engineering department, and it's around our 5th machine from XYZ.
So what machines do you have on site?
We've got a couple of Prototrack mills, Prototrack lathe, and earlier this year we've got the 750 LR, which has been a big help in our work that we do.
How important is this facility in Slough to you? I know that you're local now, it's more local to you, but also from an educational perspective, what's the support like from XYZ?
It's been really good. They offer free training for educational people. So the guys come into our own workshop and give us training for all our staff. The benefit to our researchers and students is immense. We're able to produce much more complicated parts now than we were before. So it's really been good.
Though we haven't got the lathe yet, we've already got work for it, which is a big bonus in what we can offer researchers and students in terms of work that we can do.
Julian, I've noticed you've demonstrated many machines today. What machines have you been demonstrating?
Well, mainly today I've been demonstrating the CT65 LTY and the CT65 turning centre.
And what have the customers been learning from these demonstrations?
Well, I've found it quite surprising really, because the customers have expressed delight of how easy it is to program the controls. A lot of them have used FANUC, and they've showed me some programs in FANUC which I've managed to look at, and then I've put it over across on the Siemens, and they've been quite happy to have a go themselves as well.
And is this a feature of this facility that it's going to be available for demonstrations in the future?
Well, yeah, we're always available for demonstrations because we've got a number of showrooms around the country, and if the customer come for a demonstration, they can bring their own drawings and their own parts, and we'll tailor it to them.
Well, what a day. Yet another facility opened by XYZ here in Slough. We've been here at the grand opening. We've spoken to Nigel. They've given away a machine. We've spoken to lots of end users, and they've even sold machines. So if you're looking for a machine, it's now open, so make sure you come and visit.